recording.
Hi, this is Autumn and Sean's Road to Redemption.
Got a rapper.
Yeah, we got a rapper for free. And we only have 10 days left. And now, we're going to go to our AP Stat Rap. Ready? It's our musical. Here we go.
Okay. This is for AP status, but it's not like it matters. Keeping it real when it's scattered. Scattered, it pertains to plots. All you need is a line to some dots. With all the thoughts going through my head, AP Stat can seem like a dread. But then Mr. Evan breaks out the lesson and everybody stops. Don't be messing. When Z scores, C scores, and probability, can we get some reliability? As we get closer to the end of the year, everyone is rushing around like, oh dear, we gotta make 3s and 5s just to pass. We don't survive, it might be our last day to bring out our stat skills. When I think of it, I get chills. So take a stat and get your mind blown. My man, Mr. Irvin, will show you the unknown. Get it? Got it? Put it in your pocket. Don't ever tell me you forgot it. AP Stat, you know. Yeah, AP Stat. You know.
Yeah! Woo! So that is our musical. It was pretty awesome, wasn't it? Yeah, and he was for free. It was awesome.
Take that, Fat Joe.
Yeah. What?
You have to pay Daniel.
Yeah. Now when he becomes famous, because everybody's gonna see this on Facebook, when he becomes famous, we get some of it. We get some money. Cash
We
money.
discovered him
Yeah, it was
on
us.
our TV show.
Yeah.
Webcam, whatever their show's called.
The album
Websode.
comes
Facebook.
Oh, it's gonna be wild. Screw them. So we're gonna go, and this is our chapstick.
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, what's my grade?
Chapstick.
Oh, and Claire's gonna see your grade. Let's go see what I
on her grade.
Yeah, let's go see.
What's my grade, Mr. Irvin?
Don't do that.
Ah, don't do that.
My grade.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Number
Shame on you.
90. Woo!
She's got an idea.
Hey.
Hi, Miss Irvin.
How
Okay.
you doing today?
So, yeah, next week we'll interview Mr. Irvin.
East.
Okay.
A-town down.
We're going.
In
Bye.
our case,
E.
S down.
What?
S-town down.
What? Yeah. Springdale.
Make an S.
No.
Does that make an S?
No. Just stop.
That's close.
That's an S.
He's a wigger.
S-town.
Just stop. We go. Peace.
Bye.